Lesson number 1, don't fly your drone into a railway bridge. If there aren't many high things to hang your antennas on, the spider beam, squid pole type things are very useful. This has got an 80-metre dipole hanging off it, and that's the old Lee Creek to Port Augusta coal railway line. It's not used anymore. And this is the train coming through at night some years back. The rails used to be shiny, but now they've all gone rusty. This video is really just an opportunity to use some drone footage and listen to sizzlebird music. Just as well there's no more trains, I hope. This is more like a suburban area with all the roads and tracks everywhere. In a real remote area, HF communication is even more important. We've got the spider beam to the right, and the orange one is Don's SEC fuse changing pole. It's very sturdy. More tree cover gives you extra opportunities for securing the pole. I've had my spider beam 60-foot pole for about 10 years now. It's been very good, very useful. Unfortunately now it is the worse for wear and probably needs replacing. It's getting stuck and a lot of sand's got in there. A few things are breaking off it, but overall I think they're an excellent device if you want to have communications in the outback areas or anywhere that hasn't got something to hang wires on. The rest of this video is just boring drone footage.